Alright, it's gonna be 67 feet from the kitchen. This is the window west side of the house. That's the window of the kitchen. That's the stack wall clean out. Then we got PVC all the way here, then turns, go this way, then you got a transition of cast iron, and then we got a break right by in front of the door. I believe it's some roots going inside, 1 foot 5 inches. What we can do is dig the trench on the left side. However, we got this branch, which is the one picking up the second floor bathroom. So probably one of this section of the concrete is gonna be removed. It's like a 4 inches, 4 inches of concrete. So like I said, we can dig on this side of the concrete. So pipe is gonna keep going under the concrete, then turns. Gotta clean out, and right here is the transition to clay. And keep going downstream. All this is clay, and I believe that's where the first flag is, where the city connection it should be.